In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT login errors in 2026 guide. Before you change anything on your device, start with a quick pre-check to make sure the problem isn't widespread. Open your browser and visit status.openai.com. Look for notes about elevated error rates or authentication issues. As of May 18th, 2026, the systems are listed as fully operational. If you're still seeing errors, that's a strong sign the issue is local to your browser, device, or network. Most login problems are browser related, so let's tackle those first. Saved session data can get stale and cause infinite login loops or blank pages. Open a private or incognito window using Control plus Shift plus N on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus N on a Mac. Try signing in there. If it works in incognito, something in your normal profile, like a cookie, cached file, or extension, is interfering. Rather than clearing your entire browsing history, do a surgical cleanup for just OpenAI. Go to your browser's settings, then privacy and security, and open cookies and other site data. Choose the option to see all site data and permissions. In the search box, type OpenAI and ChatGPT, then delete those specific entries. This approach resets only the data that can break the login without signing you out of every other site. After that, return to the login page and perform a hard refresh to pull a clean copy from the server. Use Control plus F5 on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus R on a Mac. If the issue persists, check your connection. OpenAI's security systems sometimes flag IP addresses from unstable or crowded endpoints. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off and try again. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot. Or if you're on mobile data, try your regular Wi-Fi. The goal is to get a fresh, cleaner route and a different IP. Next, confirm your device time is accurate. Turn on set time automatically in your system settings. Secure login tokens depend on precise timestamps, and even a small clock drift can break the handshake. Also review your browser extensions. Ad blockers, tracking shields, and privacy tools can silently block the scripts needed for sign-in. Temporarily pause them for chatgpt.com or disable them until you're logged in, then re-enable. Finally, use the same authentication method you used when you created your account. If you signed up with Continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, click that exact button. Entering an email and manual password for an SSO-based account will fail. By clearing targeted site data, stabilizing your network, and aligning your login method, you'll bypass the most common traps and get right back to work. Thanks for watching.